The moment you finally receive the keys to your new home is a massive milestone, but your work is just beginning to ensure your investment stays safe. You must prioritize changing every exterior lock immediately because you have no way of knowing how many copies of the old keys are currently circulating. Resetting the garage door codes and any smart home security systems is another critical step to prevent unauthorized access by previous residents or vendors. Locate the main water shutoff valve and the electrical breaker panel so you can react quickly during a plumbing emergency or a sudden power outage. Take high-resolution photos of every room while the house is completely empty to document the exact condition for your insurance records and future projects. Cleaning the air ducts and replacing the HVAC filters should be done before you move any furniture, and to ensure you are breathing fresh air from the start. Testing every smoke detector and carbon monoxide alarm in the house is a non-negotiable safety task that could literally save your family's lives. Visit homebuyingrealty.com to download our new homeowners first week checklist and make sure you don't miss a single essential step in your new house.